What's up guys, it's kit number 4D Cardistry, and today I'm going to be teaching you the Charlier cut. So the Charlier is a pretty simple move. It's the basis of most cardistry moves, so I think this is a good way to start off the rest of my tutorials. Like the spring was just a nice little fancy opener, but now I think we should get really into the learning of the cardistry. Right, so let's just jump right into it. First, you're going to want to grab a deck of cards, obviously, and you're going to want to hold them in a grip like this. It's called straddle grip. Now you're going to be hearing this talk of this grip a lot because it's the starting of a lot of moves. What it is your index finger goes on the one short side, your pinky finger on the other short side, and your two other fingers go on the opposite long side. So now your thumb's able to just hold the cards on the side. Right. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use your thumb to break off the top pack of cards, right? So you're going to be able to move them like this. So you're just going to want to break off about half the pack of cards, right? Then from there, you're going to want to drop the cards into your hand, right? So let's go over that one more time. Cards are going to, oh sorry, it has to be in a raised straddle grip. So instead of just having the cards, holding the cards like this, you're going to want to put the cards in a raised position so it's not sitting flat in your hand, because we're going to be dropping the cards down into our hand, right? So now you're going to want to break off half with your thumb, drop it into your hand, right? And then from here, you're going to want to take your index finger and push the cards up like that. Okay, let's go over that again. Break off half the pack, drop it, use your index finger to push the cards up to this point where it meets the thumb, right? And from here, you're going to want to drop this other packet, this top packet, onto your index finger, and then just drop the cards. I'll get another view for you guys on that now, and then I'll just put it in, right? So like I said before, break the packet, push your index finger up, and then the cards are going to drop on your index finger, right? And then from there, it's going to release and then close the packet. Okay, so now that you've seen that and you're back, we're going to just do it one more time, right? Break the cards in half, push it up with that index finger, drop it onto the index finger, and then you're going to move your index finger out of the way to close the packet. So that is the Charlier cut. There's a lot of things you can do with the Charlier. It really is the basis of a lot of one-handed moves. Just get used to the grip, get used to the cut, and I'm absolutely sure you can learn it and you can master it, and then you'll be mastering cardistry before I ever could. Yeah, well that's it for today guys, and I hope to see you in another video. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video, and leave a comment just to join the community and leave your thoughts, you know, even if it's just something funny or a joke. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.